So we were going down the road and we were in a turning lane. Traffic was backed up, and this younger girl, she put out right in front of us, and like 10-second, not even 10-second notice. It was like boom. You know, there was no stopping. You try to stop, brakes locked up, and still slid into her. And yeah, it messed my lower two discs and two discs in the neck. My girlfriend is Steve Brooks' daughter, so I heard from her clearly. It was great. I think Jasmine, she kept me in the loop all the time, and she was awesome, always keeping me updated, and she was nice, and everybody's friendly here. You know, I love the firm, it's awesome. It's great, it's real great. Communication was there, you know, everybody's being transparent, no funny business. Absolutely, absolutely. I would tell them that they're a great firm and the people are very kind, and I think they come to work every day with a goal to just help people out and get them what they deserve after an accident. So absolutely.